In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Spotify gift card. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Let's dive right into this guide. This tutorial is applicable for mobile phones, computers, and virtually any device. To begin, ensure you have Spotify code or gift card ready, whether it's a physical card or a digital one. Both will work seamlessly. If you have a physical card, carefully scratch off the covering using a non-sharp object like a key or scissors, ensuring the code remains visible. Once you've revealed the code, close the Spotify app on your mobile device or computer. Now open a web browser. I'm using Safari on my iPhone, but you can choose any browser you prefer. Navigate to a specific website, spotify.com/redeem. After entering, sign in to your Spotify account. The page that follows will prompt you to enter the PIN from the back of your gift card or the premium code from your in-store receipt. Type in your code, complete the I'm not a robot verification, and hit continue. Spotify will then display the value of your card and the duration of the Spotify premium you will enjoy with it. Confirm your decision to redeem by tapping redeem, and you've now upgraded to Spotify Premium. And that is how you can redeem Spotify gift card. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.